AI isn't just helping us work faster, it's starting to do the work for us. From writing to video production, there are AI tools that can replace entire jobs. In this video, we'll count down the 7 AI tools you need to know in 2026 that are changing the future of work. At number 7 is Jasper.ai, an AI-powered copywriting assistant. Jasper can write marketing emails, blog posts, ad copy, and even social media content. Companies are using it to reduce the need for full-time copywriters, speeding up content creation while maintaining high quality. From product descriptions to long-form articles, Jasper handles it all, freeing up teams to focus on strategy rather than typing. Coming in at number 6 is Lumen 5, an AI video creation platform. Lumen 5 can turn blog posts, articles, or short prompts into fully edited videos with text overlays, visuals, and stock clips, all automatically. Marketing teams, social media managers, and content creators can now produce dozens of videos in the time it used to take to make one. Essentially, it's an AI editor and storyteller rolled into one. Midjourney is our number 5, a text-to-image AI that's changing graphic design and art creation. Designers can now generate logos, concept art, and illustrations in seconds. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and sketching, Midjourney produces dozens of visual ideas instantly. For freelance designers and marketing teams, this tool can replace early-stage design work entirely. At number 4, we have ChatGPT, one of the most versatile AI tools ever. Beyond answering questions, ChatGPT can draft emails, write code, summarize research, and even act as a customer support agent. Businesses are using it to automate repetitive tasks, reducing the need for entry-level writers, support agents, and research assistants. ChatGPT doesn't just assist, it performs entire job functions in minutes. Number 3 is Synthesia, an AI video platform using digital avatars. Want to make a training video or corporate presentation without a camera or actor? Synthesia can turn your script into a professional video instantly. HR departments, online educators, and marketers are already using it to scale video production, cutting out the need for entire video crews for basic content. Coming in at number 2 is AutoGPT, an early example of autonomous AI. AutoGPT can take a high-level goal, break it into tasks, and execute them with minimal human input. Whether it's market research, content generation, or project management, AutoGPT acts more like a collaborator than a tool. It's a glimpse at the future where AI doesn't just assist, it manages. And taking the top spot is OpenAI Sora, a text-to-video AI. Just describe the scene and Sora generates a realistic video. Filmmakers, marketers, and educators can now produce content that once required studios, cameras, and actors, all powered by AI. OpenAI Sora is not just a tool, it's a creative revolution redefining how visual content is made. These are the 7 AI tools that could replace entire jobs in 2026. Which one do you think will have the biggest impact on your work? Comment below. And if you want more AI insights and futuristic tools, subscribe to Future Stack Tools and hit the bell to stay updated.